Greetings to all learners. My name is Naveen Yadav and I am Faculty of Physics at SRN International School, Jagatpur, Jaipur. Today I am taking the topic electric charge from the chapter 1, Grade-XII NCERT. Reference book is Fundamental of Physics by Resnick, Halliday and Volkar. In this topic, you will come to know about electric charges and their behavior with other objects. Various phenomena related to electricity have been known since ancient times. The Greek knew the fact that when a piece of amber, after rubbing with cat fur, is brought in contact with other object, the amber piece and the object repel each other. They also found the same property in a piece of glass that was rubbed with silk. This glass piece and any object brought in contact with it repelled each other. On the other hand, two objects, one of which has been brought in contact with amber and the other with the glass, on coming in contact attract one another. Objects showing this behavior are said to possess electric charge or to be charged. The force that move object towards and away from one another in this simple demonstration was named electricity. In this simple experiment, the electric charge does not move after it has been placed on an object. So the force is also called static electricity. The branch of physics that deals with the study of such charges at rest is known as electrostatics. The electric force is clearly different from the gravity. Unlike the electric force, gravity is never repulsive. When a gravitational force acts between two objects, it always pulls them together. The electric force, on the other hand, can attract some objects towards one another and push other objects apart. The electric force, furthermore, is vastly more powerful than gravity. A pocket comb charged with static electricity easily lifts a piece of paper against the gravitational pull of the entire Earth. Modern understanding of static electricity began in the 18th century with the efforts of a group of scientists in Europe and North America who called themselves electricians. These researchers were fascinated by many curious phenomena associated with nature's unseen force, electric charges. In dry weather, a spark is produced by walking across certain type of carpet and then bringing one of their finger near a metal doorknob, metal faucet, or even a person. Multiple sparks can be produced when a sweater is pulled from the body or clothes from a dryer. These examples reveal that electric charges is present in our body, sweater, carpet, doorknob, fog, and computers. In fact, every object contains a vast amount of electric charge. So, we can draw the definition for electric charge from this discussion. The intrinsic property of material objects that make it possible for them to exert electric force and to respond to electric force is known as electric charge. The SI unit of electric charge is coulombs, represented by capital letter C, and it is a scalar quantity. The vast amount of charge is in an object is usually hidden because the object contains two kinds of charges in equal amount. One is positive charge and second one is negative charge. With such an equality or balance of charge, the object is said to be electrically neutral. That is, it contains no net charge. If the two type of charges are not in balance, then there is a net charge. If an object is said to be charged, it means that it has a charge imbalance or a net charge. The imbalance is always much smaller than the total amount of positive and negative charges comprising the object. Charged objects interact by exerting force on one another. To demonstrate Could we understand in terms of positive and negative charge? When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, the glass loses some of its negative charge and then has a small amount of unbalanced positive charge. When the plastic rod is rubbed with fur, the plastic gain a small amount of unbalanced negative charge. Okay, so charging done by rubbing two insulating objects with each other is called charging by friction. The charges are transmitted from one place to another depending on the tendency of the substance to acquire electrons. For example, silk has a greater tendency to acquire electrons than glass. So, silk becomes negatively charged where the glass becomes positively charged. It is easy to demonstrate that two electrically charged objects exert a force on one another. So, students, in this topic, you have learned about charges and their interaction with each other. Students, keep learning, keep signing, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.